what's going on? Welcome back. Ryan here. In this video, we are talking about commodity trading advisors. Now, we're going to bring up this NFA website again, and we're going to type in commodity trading advisor. We'll bring up this registration. And again, we're going to look at this definition. A commodity trading advisor, CTA, is an individual or organization that, for compensation or profit, advises others directly or indirectly as to the value of or the advisability of trading futures contracts, options on futures, retail off-exchange forex contracts or swaps. All registered CTAs who manage or exercise discretion over customer accounts or provide commodity trading advice based on or tailored to the commodity interest or cash market positions or other circumstances or characteristics of particular clients must be NFA members. So this is really, really important, right? I really suggest that you come in here and read this over, read all these definitions over a few times, just to see, again, what being a professional trader really actually means, right? Because that's what commodity trading advisors are, right? All registered CTAs who manage or exercise discretion over customer accounts or provide commodity trading advice based on or tailored to the commodity interest or cash market positions or other circumstances or characteristics of particular clients must be NFA members. So as an example, my daily option is not a registered CTA, right? I am not exercising discretion over customer accounts. I am not providing tailored trading advice to you, right? Because I don't know your situation, right? I'm not acting as a commodity trading advisor that's actually giving you advice on what to do. I am simply here as an educator showing you my experience of this journey that I'm on, right? To have my own CTA, to do this, and I'm educating you on these things which I don't see anybody doing, and that is because people either don't know or they're unqualified to speak on this subject, right? Again, this isn't trading advice. This isn't investment advice, right? I'm not soliciting you for a program. I'm not offering discretion over your account. I am not giving tailored advice to you. I am simply here showing you that I have my Series 3, I have passed my Series 3 and my Series 30, and that I am telling you that if you want to be a professional trader and you want to take your trading to the next level, then this is the way that you're going to do it. This is the way that all of the large hedge fund managers have done it. Any other way is simply, in my opinion, not the best way, because it's not what all the top guys are doing, right? If you want to be in that sandbox, in that pool with these big fish, playing the same game that they're playing, right, then you want to become a commodity broker. You want to be able to offer discretion over accounts. You want to be able to provide this tailored advice, right, for commodity interest or cash market positions, right? Think about, I'll tell you a quick story. Think about Ray Dalio. Pretty sure it's Ray Dalio. Ray Dalio helped McDonald's bring the Chicken McNugget to market through his expertise as a commodity broker, using chicken futures to smooth the cash flow of McDonald's so that they were able to deliver the Chicken McNugget. This is the difference between, these top tier commodity brokers, Series 3, CTAs, and, other people trying to band-aid together a hedge fund and do whatever it is they're trying to do, right? They're completely different things, and there is a reason why you need this license, and that's because it allows you to do certain things that you're unable to do without this license. Okay, so very important though, right? When we read this next section, which is CFTC Regulation 4.14, details the criteria that must be met for exemption from CTA registration, including advice was provided to 15 or fewer persons during the last 12 months, and the entity does not generally hold itself out to the public as a CTA, or entity is CFTC registered and advice is solely incidental to its business or profession, or advice is provided that is not based upon knowledge of or tailored to a customer's particular trading account or trading activity. So what does this mean? Well, what it means is that there is a road to become a CTA where you are exempt from having to file or even having to get a Series 3. And while I'm not going to go into too much detail on this, it is very important to understand that there are a lot of ways to make this happen when you are somebody who is determined to break into this industry and to solidify yourself as somebody in this industry who wants to operate and who wants to pursue this business, right? So again, understand just how important this Series 3 license is. Understand that this NFA, there is tons of information here, right? There is information on all of these websites, right? The SEC, the CME group, right? Where we can look up brokers, we can look up markets and datas and services. Again, we can actually look up these introducing brokers and see what services they offer, right? We can look at the Federal Trade Commission and see a lot of different things in here as well. And then again, the NFA and the CFTC and FINRA. I get so excited talking about this because of just what you can do, right? I mean, when I found this stuff out from my mentor and I decided I wanted to get my Series 3 and pursue some of these things, my whole thought about trading and investing completely changed because I saw a different world of the way these large hedge fund managers and commodity brokers position themselves in this industry to do what they do. Now, again, I could talk about this forever. I love talking about it. I love thinking about it. I love trading. I love options. I love the freedom that these industries can afford to you if you put in the work and really apply yourself, and if it's a right fit for your personality and your goals. And again, if you have any questions, reach out. Commodity Trading Advisor, super powerful, super important structure to understand and take advantage of should you want to become a professional trader. Now, what's really important to understand, and I'm just going to throw this out there real quick, is remember, when we look on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all these places where we see self-employed traders trading their own money, especially in the Forex world, just know, like I said before, if someone is trying to tell you they're going to trade your money for you and they are not a registered CTA or CPO, it is technically illegal for them to be offering that type of service without having these registrations. And it's super important for you as a trader and a consumer and as someone who's starting to learn about this to be able to look at and identify all of the bullshit and bad actors there are out there, right? There's nobody in the Forex world who is guaranteeing outrageous returns like you'll see on Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and whatever. And just know that the largest Forex traders, the best Forex traders in the world, They all have Series 3 licenses. They're all commodity trading advisors or commodity pool operators, and they're commodity brokers. So again, I hope this is giving you insights. I hope that this is helping you. Again, I'm not guaranteeing anything. I'm not soliciting you for investments or for me to authorize discretion over your trading account. I am simply here educating you, informing you, and offering my services to help you pass this test, because I have passed this test myself and I know what it takes to be successful and to really break into this industry. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, please reach out, and I look forward to talking in the next video.